This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss one more program in basic language to sort list of 20 names in descending order. We have discussed earlier a program which was a lengthy program, consists of about 240 lines, in which we used selection sort algorithm. But here in this program of today we will discuss and create a program, shorter program as compared to the previous one, and will display the names in descending orders by using the input statement. In the previous program we used the read data statement, but today in this program we will use the input statement. So let's switch to the IDE of GW basic programming language. So here we are at line, we'll type the program on line 10. We will type dim statement, use array variable $, with subscript 19. Line number 20 we'll use for loop for n equal to 0 to 19, and on line number 30 we will use input statement. We'll type the message, enter name, colon, double quotes close, comma, $, subscript n, because we have used variable name n with the counter loop, so we will use subscript n with array variable named $. Line number 40 we will type next n. Line number 50 we will type for k equal to 0 to 19, and for line number 60 we will type for j equal to k plus 1 to 19. Line number 70 we will type if $k is lesser than $j. So you can see the same selection sort algo is being used right over here. J, then temp $ equal to $k, subscript k, colon. Well, you know very well that this colon is used to connect two different lines. If you don't want to mention a different line, next line on the next line number, then you can use double quotes for connecting two different lines. So here we will type $k. We are using the same selection sort algo right over here, viewers. Temp is equal to $k, $k is equal to $j, and then we will again use the double colon right over here, and then type $j equal to temp. So this is the same technique of selection sort algo is being used right over here. We will type temp $, and then on line 80 we will type next j. On line 90 we will type next k. Line number 100 we will type print names in descending order, and on line 110 we will type for n equal to 0 to 19, and right over here this is the final statement which is being used with the print statement. It is $, subscript n, which will display all the names which will be input in ascending order or into descending order. Line number 130 we will type next n, and then in the end on line number 140 we will type ENDN to end this program. So let's switch to the IDE or text area to discuss this program in detail, how all these lines are executed line by line. So first we will save this program. So we will save this program by pressing the F4 key and type the name ADESC descending ARR1.bas, name of the program. I will press the F3 key and type DESCARR1.bas again, and then press the F2 key. So now we have been asked, now I'm being a user, I've been asked to enter 20 different names. So I will give Alvin, Albert, Sam, Kevin, Josh, John, George, Michael, Ashley, Cindy, Billy, Sean, Steve, Brett, Zach, or you can call Aniston, Marsh, Vivek, or you can type Vicky, and then Stanley, Robert. So now you can see the whole program. I have given actually type 20 different names in a different order. It's not that was not in an ascending order, but in a shuffled manner. But this, the output, now you can see is the whole output is in the descending order. So you can see Z at the top, and V, and then S, and then R, and M, and K, and J, and G, and C, B, and A. If you starting right from the below to the top, so you can see A comes first, and B, and C, and G, and A, and K, and M, and R, S, Steve, V, and Z in the end. So at the top, so this program is now giving us the output and displaying all the names entered in the ascending order, or you can call it in a shuffled manner, shuffled order into descending order. So with the help of the array, we can rearrange the list and sort the list, and we can sort the list in descending order or in ascending order, depends upon your requirement. So let's discuss this program in the text area. We will discuss the whole execution of the program line by line. So let's switch to the text area. So here we are, viewers. Now we will discuss the execution of the program line by line. So you can see that on line 10, dim statement is used with array variable named AR $subscript 19. On line 24, n counter loop is used with initial value 0 and final value 19. On line 30, input statement is used which display the message enter names, comma is used for spacing, and the names strings will be input and stored in array variable named AR $subscript n. on line 40. Next N is used, which you know very well, for terminating the counter loop on line 50. For K, counter loop is used with initial value 0 and final value 19 on line 60. For J, counter loop is used with initial value K plus 1 and final value 19 on line 70. Selection sort algo is used, in which if statement is used to compare two different arrays and then shuffle and then sort the names in descending order. So you can call it then on line 70 till, we can call it from line 70 till line 90. Selection sort algo is used, in which if statement is used to compare two different arrays and then shuffle and then sort the names in descending order. 3 variables are used for sorting the names in descending order, and they are $, K, $, J, and temp $. So these three variables are used for shuffling and then sorting the names in descending order. And on line 100 you can see print statement is used, which is used to display the message on line 100. Print statement is used to display message on the screen, that is names in descending order. On line 110, for an counter loop is used with initial value 0 and final value 19 on line 120. Now this is the key line which will display the names input by the user in descending order. Print $N. So this is the final this is the key line which is used to display the final output on the screen. All the names will be sorted and then displayed on the output screen in descending order. Print statement is used to display names, list of 20 names input by the user in descending order. The names will be sorted in descending order and will be displayed on the screen by using variable AR$ subscript n. So this is the final array variable which is going to display the list of 20 names in descending order, and line 130 is the final line which is used. No, okay, 130 next n is used, and then on line 130 next n is used for loop termination. On line 140 end statement is used for program ending closing. So that's all, and we have discussed the second program by using the slash and sort algo, how we can use input statement and then can display the list of 20 names in descending order by using array. So you can see the output, all the names you can see in the descending order which was input by the user of the programmer. So that's all, and thanks for watching my video.